Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share how to make this micro or miniature crochet flower. This is a bunch of flower. Those all the things I just used for a neck piece. Okay, so let's get started. So here at first I'm making total. At first I will make that slip knot. Okay, then after slip knot we'll make total 47 chains, and the thread I have used the normal cotton thread, that one string I am using, and the crochet hook size I have used 0.50 mm. Okay, so here that small flower I already made one video. That one I'll give on the description box, and on the I button also you can see the video. So here I am making that total 47 chains. Guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Okay, so now I'll make one single crochet in each stitches. So here you can see I'm making this slowly, how I'm making the single crochet. So here I'm making one single crochet in each stitches. So here total 46 single crochet will get, means 46 stitches will get. So if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. If you guys subscribe my channel, it will motivate me to make more such videos. And please you just tell me whether you just love these videos or not. This is my first attempt of that micro crochet. So all the single crochet done. Now I'll make 2 chain. Okay, so here you can see the 2 chain has done. Now I'm turn the project, and then on the same stitch I'm making one double crochet. Double crochet run. Okay, now on the next stitch I'm making one double crochet on the next stitch. Now on the third stitch again I'm making one double crochet. Okay, now on the next stitch again one double crochet, and again on the next stitch one double crochet, now again on the next stitch again one double crochet. See, a double crochet done. Now I am making 2 chain, 1 and 2. Then on the same stitch I will make a slip stitch. On the same stitch I am making a slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch done. So this is our first petal. So now on the next stitch I am making one slip stitch again. So this first petal is done. Now I will make that second petal. Okay, so for that reason I'm making the slip stitch on the next stitch. Then I'm making 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now one double crochet on the same stitch. On the same stitch I'm making double crochet. Okay, now on the next stitch again one double crochet done. Now on the next stitch we'll make one double crochet, then another double crochet on the same stitch. Then on the next stitch again we'll make one double crochet done. Now we'll make 2 chains, 1 chain and second chain. Now we'll make the slip stitch on the same stitch. Now after slip stitch on the next stitch again I'm making one slip stitch, then we'll make 2 chain. That slip stitch I'm making, you can see. Now on the same stitch I'm making that 2 chains and then one double crochet. Like the same way we'll make the next petal, means the same pattern we'll make total 5 petals. Okay, so we'll come after making 5 petals. So here you can see that I have made that 5 petal. Okay, so total 6 petal is done. So here you can see the same pattern. I have made 5 petal, 1 2 3 4 5. It is look like this. Okay, so now rest of the petal will make a little bit different. Okay, so first we are making that slip stitch on the next stitch. Okay, now after slip stitch we'll make 2 chain, I'm making 1 2. Okay, then we'll make double crochet. So here double crochet we'll make on the same stitch. On the same stitch I'm making double crochet, 1 double crochet. Now on the next stitch again we'll make double crochet, one double crochet, then again on the second double crochet on the same stitch. Okay, now on the next stitch we'll make double crochet like the same way, one double crochet, then on the second double crochet on the same stitch. Second double crochet done. Okay, now again we'll make double crochet on the next stitch, one double crochet done. Now we'll make 2 chain, 1 and 2 chain, and we'll make the slip stitch on the same stitch. Okay, so like that we're making the second type of petal. Okay, so here you just make the rest of the petal. Here also you have to make 5 petals. So like the same way I'm making a slip stitch on the same next stitch, then 2 chain, then double crochet in each stitches. On the first stitch I'm making 1 double crochet, then on the second stitches 2 double crochet, third also 2 double crochet, fourth also 2 double crochet. Like the same way we'll make the rest. So here you can see that my flower is almost completed. So now I'll cut the extra thread. So here I'll put some extra thread to sew this ladder. Okay, so it's done. Now this flower has actually mm, two types of means different type you can sew this. Okay, if you curl this in the inner side like this, then it will look like different flower, and on the opposite way if you just sew this, then there will be, it will look like different. Okay, so it's up to you. So here I am going to sew this. With the needle I am going to sew this. You just sew this very it is actually delicate, it's very tiny flower, so you just sew that upper thread only. Okay, you just see how I am sewing this one. So you can see my rose has done, so it is very tiny and cute flower. Okay, so here you can see I already made this some more flowers. All the flower links you will get on the I button. Okay, so here I am taking that acrylic color. Here I have taken this base color, then I'll make some different colors. Okay, like that I am coloring all the flowers. Then I'll just let it dry for a few hours. Okay, so we'll come after that. So here I have this neck charm like this. This is the metal antique. So here I am just applying some glue, that the fabric glue, and with this fabric glue I am just stick all the flowers. So here is the charm, how it is look like. It is micro crochet flower. So I hope you would like this. If you like, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.